True to form, we got a late start today and I'm in an area I've never been before. I suspect there's a campsite just a few miles away, but it's getting dark. We're definitely in the middle of nowhere. So I just have my fingers crossed that we can find a campsite soon. Well, we wanted solitude and we got it. We are miles and miles away from anybody. Didn't pass a single soul coming down here. We're 6 miles from the main road and this awesome campsite right next to the river. I have a good friend who told me a little bit about this area. This is known for black bears. A lot of bear hunters like to hunt in these woods. And there's also a lot of bobcats around here. So this is a wildlife mecca. And I do have a trail cam that I'm going to set up. Hopefully we'll catch something on film tonight. But it's getting dark, I'm tired. I just need to get camp set up and get settled in. All right, this is night 1 of our adventure and we're hunkered down. There was already some drama outside. A little while ago, a group of hound dogs were approaching us, howling very loudly. They are intended for hunting bears. All I know is there was hounds right outside our camp, and the owner came and picked them up, and Juniper was kind of freaked out. It did sound pretty spooky because there's no other sounds out here, and it is pitch black. Tomorrow is going to be pretty relaxing day. I've got some good food planned for a good campfire cookout, and we're also going to relocate to another location tomorrow, so stay tuned. I'm just ready to get a good night's sleep, and I'll see you all in the morning. "37 degrees outside, but it stayed 60 degrees in here overnight, and that's just from body heat. I didn't bring any heaters, or there's no supplemental heat other than body heat. Juniper is a great heater. I really love this weather and this temperature. This is perfect for camping. Come on, it's okay. Good girl. I'm going to make a fire this morning, but the camper's a little bit too close to the fire pit, so I'm just going to pull it forward out of an abundance of caution. This position isn't as good for sleeping. That's why I had it backed up so far last night, but we're not sleeping anymore. We have a lot of cooking to do though, so I'm gonna get the fire going and some coffee. Here you go, baby. What is that? I think it's just stuff falling off of trees. Juniper's not reactive at all. It sounds like they're creaking and cracking and stuff's falling off of them, but it's kind of a spooky sound. And I also found the bathroom back there. Pretty gross. In case you're wondering, I bag up my business and I take it out with me. I don't leave anything behind. I'm a firm believer in leave no trace ethics, always. Wow, that is delicious. This is the best batch of cornbread I think I've ever made. It's soft and fluffy with that crisp on the bottom. Now this is camping. Soup, beans, and cornbread made over a campfire. Turned out really, really well, I think. If you're an aficionado to West Virginia food, let me know how I did. If you have any tips to help me make it better next time, feel free to let me know in the comments. In fact, if you have any recipe ideas you'd like me to try or you want to see on the channel, let me know. I enjoy cooking like this at camp. It's very relaxing and the food is delicious. I wanted to pay homage to the great state of West Virginia. This might be one of my favorite campsites that I've ever camped at. There's nobody around for miles. I haven't heard any signs of civilization except for one airplane that flew over. One thing about this style of cooking, slow cooking a meal like this, is it forces you to stay put because you have to tend to the fire and babysit the cooking. And that's different for me. You know from watching other videos that I like to go explore and do hiking, but this cooking exercise kind of kept me here today. That's okay. If I got to stay somewhere all day, this is a great place to do it. And I wish I enjoyed fishing, although I don't know how good the fishing would be right now. The river is so low. Maybe one day I'll throw a line in. I mean, after all, I'm in one of the best trout fishing areas probably in the world. I'm thoroughly, thoroughly enjoying this. Wonderful food. I'm just going to finish this up and then pack up camp because we're headed to another location today nearby. It's about 20 miles away.